Have you ever noticed that when we talk about wireless sensors, most people just throw around buzzwords RFID, ZigBee, LoRa, but don't explain how they actually fit into real-world industrial use. Today, I want to cut through that noise and share a practical breakdown of the major wireless sensor protocols you will come across, and more importantly, when to use which one. So let's start with RFID. Think of it as your digital ID card for objects, a tag, a reader, and an antenna. That's all it takes. Passive RFID is like tapping your metro card. No battery activated by the reader. Active RFID has its own battery and can transmit data over longer distances. It is perfect for asset tracking, security gates, and vehicle access system. Next is ZigBee. I call this the team player protocol. Why? Because it's designed for low power, short range, and meshed networking, meaning devices pass signal to each other like relay team. Widely used in smart homes and industrial monitoring. It's very cheap, efficient, and can connect hundreds of devices in one network. Now, Bluetooth. You already know it from your earbuds. But in industry, Bluetooth low energy has changed the game. Low cost, highly secure, and short range. Ideal for wearables, health sensors, and factory floor handheld tools. One master device, multiple slaves. That's its model. Now let's talk about Wi-Fi, the heavy lifter. High data speeds, decent range. Perfect when you need to stream large data or video feeds, like in surveillance or smart industrial hubs. The downside is it's very much power, not always the best for remote sensor. Now, LoRaWAN. This one is simple. LoRa stands for long range. It can cover 10 to 15 km with ultra low power, but it trades speed for reach. Think smart cities, agriculture fields, water tanks in remote areas. Now, GPRS, it is very old but still relevant. It's the 2.5G cellular tech that gives you nationwide reach. Think of ATMs, POS machines, and vehicle trackers. It's reliable, though slower compared to modern LTE or 5G. Now, finally, NB-IoT. This is the future of utility sensors. Works deep indoor, supports millions of devices, and batteries last 10 plus years. Perfect for smart parking, water meters, agriculture sensors, and logistics. So here's the real takeaway. Don't just memorize names of protocols. Ask, what's my range? What's my data size? How critical is battery life? And how many devices will connect? That's how you decide between Wi-Fi, ZigBee, LoRa, or NB-IoT. Because at the end of the day, wireless protocols are not about tech jargon. They are about matching the right tool to the right industrial problem. So, if you found this breakdown useful, follow along for more insights where we simplify complex industrial tech into a practical decision you can actually use. Thank you so much for watching.